Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you a quick fix for your phone date is inaccurate. Adjust your clock and try again problem on WhatsApp. So what you have to do is watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So viewers, tap on WhatsApp and then you can see that WhatsApp is showing me that your phone date is inaccurate. Adjust your clock and try again. Your phone date and time is 1/2/2/19:05:37 Pakistan Standard Time. So what you have to do is tap on adjust date. After that, viewers, what you have to do is change the 24-hour format to 12-hour clock format. So simply tap on the slider and it will change to 12-hour clock format. You can also enable it, but it's your choice because I prefer 12-hour clock format. That's why I am telling you to disable this 24-hour clock format. You have to also disable automatic date and time and automatic time zone by tapping on the slider, and they will be disabled. After that, I am going to show you the current time which is in my country. So as I used to live in Pakistan, so the time is 5 p.m. and day is Sunday and date is 17th of April. So I can show you it on the home screen also. You can see it's 5 p.m. and it's Sunday 17th of April. So what you have to do is you have to firstly check the date, time, month and year of your country, and then what you have to do is tap on set date, and then what you have to do is tap on the year. You can see it's 2019. I will tap on it, and after that I will select 2022 because it's currently 2022 year, and then I will select the month. So by tapping on the right arrow and left arrow icons, I can select the month. So it's April and it's 17 which is Sunday, and then I will tap on OK, and then what you have to do is tap on set time. As I told you, the time was 5 p.m. so I will adjust it to 5 p.m. and then tap on OK. Now after adjusting the time and date, viewers, what you have to do is close the WhatsApp application. After closing, tap on WhatsApp again. You can see that the WhatsApp problem has been fixed of your phone date is inaccurate. Adjust your clock and try again later. So viewers, like this you can fix WhatsApp problem which is your phone date is inaccurate. Adjust your clock and try again. So viewers, hope so you liked my video. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.